Hello everyone, Jeff with a Green Review. Coleus plants are great for shade. They have a lot of colors of leaves, a lot of different colors on a leaf, and they make wonderful shade plants. They produce a lot of color. What we don't want them to do is go into flower. The flower stalks are not that pretty, and as they flower and bloom and produce seeds, they stop growing more leaves. We want them to be bushy. We want them to grow a lot more leaves and stay in that vegetative mode. So what we're going to do is pinch them off. Now preferably, we'd pinch off the flowers when they're buds, when they're really small, just coming out of the thing. And we don't want them to get too tall like some of these are. And so once they've gotten to this point, go ahead and pinch them back anyway, and produce the plant will produce more leaves and stop producing the flowers. So whenever you see these things starting to bloom like this, get in there, pinch them back, and then look at the top of each stem for really small flower buds. Very easy to pinch those right out and keep that plant in that vegetative mode. Thanks for watching.